Hi guys, welcome to How To Library. Today I'm going to show you how to set your format on a video on CapCut. So first things first, this is going to pop up when you sign into CapCut, and on the top of the screen you can see this big blue bubble that says new project. All you have to do is click on that and choose the video you would like to edit. But I've already chosen a video I would like to edit, and it's here. Like it's finished editing, but it's not. I just put it there to save me the trouble. So I'm gonna click on it, and once you're here, how you add the format is on the bottom of the screen. You can see we have a couple of icons: edit, audio, text, stickers, overlay, effects, filter, format. So we're gonna stop here, and we're just gonna click on the format, and you can pick any format you want. We're gonna pick this one. And then we're gonna go back, and it stays like this. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.